na de yeto ashanga wena kamade ni tamma yi pa kapte soja no woman prince ngo be kerla force ran kernir be yonsen te burba by force. This is uncalled for. Dinyala sik inang la curfew ka nirba ma kanan ta sa dege gazal panama tamma yi pa so kam perme kadu su wula kar nyala disir nyala perla ba dure ente burba halka poro ba ban yara because those are the two nan careful pam dinya nyala nana wum yeto ashanga ngo yeto ashanga dan part na ngoma disir nyala security agencies ma ba biala biya go ma puni so gwamnati assemble mana MP nama minister nama de tuni yisizane enve nyanya yeto ashel dembe man progo ya alngoma wale tangban puni mbalama katinya how true it is disir nyala nirbama maltreater la citizens in the constituency be in the districts wale tangban nampala if security agencies ma bakul non de la anyhow so sa tema story shell no yinga bi kana kabnya be gendala yingul nyanga nan tagbaga mita tihi tout le monde bien ma dole nyele den an yina na tinya what is wrong with your electricity na yina ni mana ka baga ni mana kunna na vin yela de nan kallazo kapta yana bi kamna need to protect lives and properties ka guide ni reba vin yela nga kapto abide with the rules and regulations tangban wazal pana kapto dwelle so bi dwelle de lang pawla ni zang koron fo mushiba shel kena de pune halkan to ngba na kaba zure nkpore ba ben yare no ba arziki nama. That is not fair. Dinde shirnyala kama the allegations some of the citizens residents of Wale are given is something to go by. Donguna Resec minister nyine politician bien mane amen bambala regional minister amen bambala nyine ji ni mane njinti tangbanzo lana tenna ji asashelo tangbanzo lana na ba PMMDC skaten yele DC gbartuno zon oza alaps na depone tenna ji asashelo beba pre honorable tia nyine North East regional minister zama hankale lapse yeto ashele den nang de wale ma benda yiri yeto ashanga and the purpose of our of this video is to unravel some of the things, bring it out kati yele na ya dinde nan ka yamang le bere puni ka the bounding ye nan shem mbo malantele but as far as I am concerned wale na ma dege curfew ma ka desert mama tamma ipage akula nyeso pallezo ami kula nyeso yinga everybody goes inside so the two ne yerla principle sojanam shabankana ne bete ensure that they enforce government directive ngoma lazar kana ngoma kanya kaba yela mosrba me that is uncalled for and it is not professional the simsen teche nine nzang nti la ye to alngoma so tin yang pai Bambe betin yan yiye to ashel polo mbalama leaders ma tunu bazang baza ad lapse de polo honorable Dr. Tia Dr. Kabiru nye wale MP. I'm sure dinyela yeto awoma the parame it is coming to your attention the tuna bang anye nanshem yisizane ncheka nirbuma kabinye fako because bande ya katpira binlan yiri yeto ashengono kanyala deliberately. If he am punished deliberately, that is uncalled for and it has to be condemned no matter who is involved. The annual security, Polanga nyabe soja nya kabzanga chanate enforce law. That is what you are supposed to do. So it be sambane, you make sure that the person goes inside. That's all. But na yela na yire the bat yonda na yire ogbanyela ngun magbonti gwamnanti mfablertir gwamnanti ne gwamnanti kpamwo manko lehe yerla wale curfew woma dinini ne ko oyele nimpobne ni botebe sona ka gwamnanti dan review yele kasodo katisore na onere kana gana lo kam diya nan ka ben betulum ne walgun wasa halane no lorne it's not going to be easy so tinyan zan yeto ashele nzan timbalama Tolon Radio 102.7 FM bokwa wa puna mbalama I think